Hello, it's me. I was wondering.
Hi, so first let's learn the introduction. Here's the first chord and you will have the F minor composed of the C, the F, and the G sharp and the bass note of F. Then, the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp and the bass note of G sharp. Then, the D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp and the bass note of D sharp. And eventually, the C sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And here's how you're gonna play these chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if it makes it easier, you can also count like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you play this chord once and then you will play the verse using the same chord order.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal ya, but I'm not much healing.
So you play this chord 4 times and you will need to play it 4 times again the same way to finish the verse. You will then reach the pre-chorus using this new chord and one new chord, the C minor composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of C.
There's such a difference between us and a million miles.
And you reach the chorus and you will be playing it with this new chord. And I'm gonna teach you 3 different ways to play this. So let's begin with the first method.
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home.
Okay, so this one works, but you could also play those chords differently. So here's another chord, and this time you will be playing like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay?
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home.
So this method also works perfectly, but you could also play them in arpeggios like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And I will resume with the next lyric.
Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore.
So whether you hold, press, or even play them in arpeggios, you will need to play the chord 8 times for the chorus. And right after this, you will replay the introduction and you will be able to play the second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus with the corresponding charts, knowing that you can adapt these 3 methods to each one of the sections, playing exactly as I showed you, even though the chord order changes. Let me show you this by playing the beginning of the second verse.
Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself, I'm sorry.
Or in arpeggios,
I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? world, it's no secret.
And you replay the second pre-chorus and chorus using the corresponding charts. And after the second chorus, you will have an interlude with the choir and Adele doing vocal runs, and you will be able to play that section with this new chart.
Doesn't tear you apart anymore. Ooh, anymore. Ooh, anymore. Ooh, anymore. Anymore. Hello.
You then reach the last chorus, so you will need to play the corresponding chart 8 times, then the introduction chart twice, and you will be able to finish this song with the F minor. Good luck to you, and I will see you in the next one.